Hey guys, in this video, we are going to go over Perplexity. Perplexity is a tool that I like to use for local research, demographic research for banks, research for investors. It really makes the entire process of getting the research, not just the research, but it will organize the research for you based on the question you ask it, and it will give you where it got the research. So it can state the locations that it took the information from, and you can actually look at where it got the information and see whether it's legit. Have a look. And this is one of the ones that I used almost every day and enjoy. So the next AI that we're using is Perplexity. So Perplexity is pretty much got Google search running a little bit here because Perplexity is an AI that will actually search the net for you in there. And ChatGPT and a couple other ones just came out with this feature, but Perplexity has been doing it from the start. And Perplexity is by far, in my opinion, the best one for research. And what I like to use Perplexity for is research in the area. So I've got several customers who are looking to buy new facilities, and I'll use Perplexity to look at demographic data and then search how many storage facilities in the area. So you just log into Perplexity. I like the Pro account. And then what you can do is just ask it a question. Let's see here. You are research analyst for a self-storage facility investor looking to purchase in, say, Texas. Purchase a storage facility in Dallas. What I like to, I've sold for, in my background in commercial real estate is we always look for jobs, schools, hospitals, things like that. That increases the population. That usually increases the demand for residential housing. When you increase demand for residential housing, you usually have an increased demand for storage. So I'd like to know, what does it please tell me the population trends for Dallas, Texas, average income, average age, and just you can get as detailed as you want, but for here and the trend, a trends, Texas. And then what I like about Perplexity is you can continue the conversation after it gives you the answers. Put that in there and it will tell you the sources. So if you're trying to do a bank presentation, take information from Perplexity, actually can source your sources because it's pretty good at it. So it just tells you population growth, metro area population reached consistent 1.2 growth since 2023, 200,000 people, and age demographics 42. So and if you take this in relation to the SSA demand study, it gives you a pretty good idea of your demand. And then what I'll do is please, how many self-storage facilities in the metro. Now search results. There you go. Leadership, recent growth. So you got all this data. And this is like high level that you're going to look for. And then let's see, you can ask it based on the population and growth, population, growth, self-storage supply, predict. Any predict new demand for self-storage, give your reason. And this is more food. And this will look up Texas self-storage growth. It's got articles here, market research report, self-storage forecast, ISSA. So all of that in consideration. Forecast rental rates beginning to stabilize, vacancy or normalizing, after asking rates expected to fall, strong population growth, demographic. And you can do this for pretty much depending on the information. You can ask it to research the Census Bureau, and you can get some data from there. The census also provides APIs that you can use. I like to use Perplexity for demographic research. You can also use it. You can also use it to search your competition. You can put your competition in here and say, please research what specials are being offered. Please search this Facebook page, or anything you want to put in here that Perplexity has access to. It can research and give you summaries like this, and it'll give you the reasoning. Areas of caution: short-term vacancy rates are normalized, suggested some market saturation. Rental rates are experiencing downward pressure. New supply could temporarily outpace demand in certain submarkets. So you want to be cautious. What I like this for is because banks like information. So if you give this information to a bank and your SWOT analysis and your sources, it's not only going to enlighten you to what the situation on the ground might be, it'll also give the bank the information they need. That they like other sources besides yourself. You can cite on the business plans that we've written. If I can cite some useful third-party sources like ISS or the SSA or the Texas Self-Storage Association, these things always make a business plan look more legit, because you're not just pulling things out of the air because you drove around and you didn't see a bunch of self-storage facilities. That's how I like to use Perplexity. Again, use your imagination. Perplexity is really a great search engine. It's a search engine on steroids. It'll basically tell you where it got the information based on the question that you asked it, and more detailed the question, the better answers you're going to get.
This is Guy Javarone, and I hope this video helped save your facility money or made your day more efficient. Hit me up in the comments if you have questions, or email if you would like an AI storage engine built for you. See you on the next one.